home tour for egg tart.
Okay, sure, let's go. A penthouse more than 2,500 square feet on a single floor plate. You need to check this. You like high ceiling? How about this? Sea view and MBS view? Let's go. Rooms? With not 2, not 3, but 5. The master bedroom is amazing. Not only you have a walk-in wardrobe, a super spacious bedroom, double sink in the bathroom, a standing shower, and a bathtub. This is what luxury is. Wow, the egg tart very nice but the penthouse is nicer. Give me a call if you want to view. See ya!